In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metatrader 5 with Vantage. By the end, you'll have your Vantage trading account logged into Metatrader 5 so you can place trades and monitor the market in one place. First, head to your Vantage account area and locate your Metatrader 5 credentials. You'll need three things: your login ID, your trading password, and the exact server name assigned to your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're looking at the correct one, and note whether it's a live or a demo account because the server will differ. Keep these details secure and consider copying them so you can paste them later to avoid typos. Now open Metatrader 5 on your computer. Make sure you're using the MT5 version that matches your Vantage account type. Once MT5 is open, look to the Navigator panel, usually on the left. Find the Account section and click it to bring it into focus. If you don't see the Navigator, you can show it from the View menu in the top toolbar so you can proceed comfortably. Next, right-click on the Accounts section. This opens a menu where you can manage existing logins or add a new connection. Choose Open an Account to start the connection process. You'll see a window that allows you to find or select your broker's servers. Click. Next, to move forward, here, select the option to connect with an existing trade account. This is important. You're not creating a new account. You're linking the one you already have with Vantage. Proceed, and you'll be prompted for your credentials. Carefully type or paste your login ID, your trading password, and select the correct server from the list. If the server list is long, choose the one that exactly matches the name shown in your Vantage dashboard, including any live or demo tags. Consider ticking the option to save your password if this is a trusted device, which will make future logins quicker. When everything looks correct, confirm to complete the connection. If the details are right, you should see your account appear under Accounts in the Navigator with live quotes flowing and the connection status showing as authorized. If it doesn't connect, double-check the server name, confirm you use the trading password, not a client portal password, watch out for extra spaces from copy-paste, and ensure caps lock isn't interfering. You can also try again carefully or contact your broker's support if needed. That's it. You've connected Metatrader 5 with your Vantage account. You're ready to add charts, place orders, and manage your positions with confidence.